Good morning, children. So today we are going to start a new exercise, that is 5.10. That is the last exercise of chapter number 5, and we are going to solve the word problems related with the division of fractions. Okay, so these are the word problems based on the division of fractions. So let's see the first problem. The cost of 10 kgs wheat is rupees 72 and a half. Find the cost of 1 kg of wheat. Now here how we are going to find? First, in the solution, what you will do? You will write the cost of the 10 kgs of wheat. That is 72 and a half. Then we need to find the cost of 1 kgs. So what we will do? We will divide this cost of 10 kgs with the total number 10, or 72 and a half divided with 10. So whatever will come, that will come in rupees. So this is a mixed fraction, so we need to change it into improper fraction. So what we have done, we have multiplied 72 into 2 and added the numerator 1 by 2. So that is 144 plus 1 by 2 divided by 10. So we are getting an improper fraction of 145 by 2 divided by 10. Then according to the next step, we need to find the reciprocal of 10. So that is 1 by 10. So we will multiply 145 by 2 divided by 1 by 10, or the reciprocal of 10. Multiplied by 1 by 10, or the reciprocal of 10. So both are 10 also comes in the table of 5, and 145 also is divisible by 5. So 29 5s are 145 and 2 5s are 10. So we are getting 29 and 2 1 by 2 into 2. So that will be 29 by 4. And we change this improper fraction of 29 by 4 into a mixed fraction. So 4 7s are 28 and 1 is remainder. So the mixed fraction what we will get? 7 1 by 4 rupees. This will be the answer. By this process you will solve question number 2, question number 3. Now let's see question number 4. Geeta has 20 1 by 4 meter long ribbon. Divide that ribbon in 9 equal pieces. Now here clear instruction of division is given. So what we will do? We'll write in solution, length of ribbon Geeta has, that is 20 1 by 4 meter. Okay, then parts the ribbon has to be divided. What is the number? Yes, you are right, 9. So I'll write this also. Then we'll start the division process. So we'll write length of each part equals to 21 by 4 divided by 9. Okay. So this is a mixed fraction. Again same rule we will apply. We'll change it into improper fraction. See? 4 into 20 plus 1, that is 80 plus 1 by 4, and it is also divided by 9. Same I have written. Then with the second rule, we'll multiply this 81 by 4, whatever we are getting, with the reciprocal of 9. Now what is the reciprocal of 9? Yes, that is a unit fraction, 1 by 9. So we are multiplying 81 by 4 by 1 by 9. So again 9 9s are 81. So what we are getting as remainder? 9 into 1 by 4 into 1. So that is 9 by 4. So again we will change it into mixed fraction. So 4 2s are 8. Remainder is 1. So the mixed fraction will be 2 1 by 4 meters. Okay. So now let's see question number 5. The product of two fractions is 59 1 by 5. So when two fractions are multiplied, they give the answer 59 1 by 5. Now you know what is the value of one fraction. That is 8 2 by 9, and we have to find the other. So that is here what we have to do. We have to divide this product by the value of first fraction. So let's see the solution. Other fraction equals to product of two fractions divided by first fraction. Okay. That means we'll divide what? This 59 1 by 5 with 8 2 by 9. Okay. So that is written here. Then again we'll change both of the mixed fractions into improper fractions. So that will get 296 by 5 by 74 by 9. Okay. So again we need to find the reciprocal of the fraction comes after the division sign. Means this one 74 by 9. So what we'll do? We'll write it as 9 by 74. So again we'll cross multiply. So again what is there? Now in the table of 37, okay, 37 8s are, that is 296 and 37 2s are 74. Again we are cutting 2 and 8. So what we are getting? 4 into 9 by 5 into 1. Okay. So reducing it, what we are getting? 4 9s are 36 by 5. Again what? This is an improper fraction. So what we have done? We change it into mixed fraction. And the answer is 7 1 by 5. Now let's see question number 6. Reena has rupees 65 with which she bought some notebooks. Okay, so Reena had 65 rupees and she purchased some notebook. Cost of each notebook is 4 1 by 3. Okay, rupees. So you need to find the number of notebooks she purchased. So very easy sum. What we'll write? First we'll mention the amount which Reena has, that is 65, and the cost of each notebook, that is rupees 4 1 by 3. Then what we are going to write? Number of notebooks equals to total amount Reena has divided by cost of one notebook. So total amount is rupees 65 and cost of notebook is 4 1 by 3 rupees. So we'll write like this: 65 divided by 4 1 by 3. Whatever will be there, that will be the number. So again we'll change this 4 1 by 3 into improper fraction. So that is the denominator is multiplied with the whole number added with the numerator. So 4 into 3 plus 1 by 3. So that means 65 will divided by 13 by 3. Again we need to find the reciprocal of 13 by 3. Yes, that will be 3 by 13. So 65 will be multiplied by 3 by 13. So again, before multiplying that, we need to introduce one denominator to 65 because 65 is the whole number. So according to the rules, we'll introduce the denominator. So one more line we have to write in between: 65 by 1 divided by 13 by 3. Then we'll write the reciprocal of 13 by 3, that is 3 by 13, and multiply. So 65, 13 5s are 65. So what we are getting? 5 into 3 by 1 into 1. So that is 15 by 1, or whole number 15. So she got, what will write? The number of notebook Reena got is 15. Okay, like this we will write the answer. So for today's class, read the exercise 5.10 in today's class work. Exercise will be your homework.